Hello viewers, my name's Frankie and I am pleased to make your acquaintance. This is the first video of a new series chronicling some of the moments which make playing games recreationally great fun. Now I'm playing some Left 4 Dead 2 here using the two one-bullet kill guns, the hunting rifle and later the deagle, which I think is a one-bullet kill to the body but perhaps not to the arms. And we're trying to make it to the house in the woods so that we can contact our pickup to get out of here. Now the hunting rifle seems to me like an excellent gun choice because the sights on the scopes are really close together and it does one-shot kill any zombie to pretty much any part of their body. Now there's a lot of zombies running at our team here, but and I think in Black Ops actually I would have been on the floor with a pistol out right here, but I managed to make it through to my team who have, well, they're actually pretty good in this. They managed to set up something of a wall of fire blocking off zombies from that direction. I do unwisely though walk straight through their fire before getting ninjaed by that jockey there, and then somehow a spitter, given the amount of noise they make, managed to creep up on me and also ninja me as well. Well, I'm going to be posting 3 to 5 minute long chapters every Friday evening, so hopefully there will be some entertainment for you guys over the weekend. Half my videos are going to be on Call of Duty 4 and the other Call of Duty games because I find them a bit more enjoyable, and the other half is going to be spread across any new and interesting games: Battlefield, Bad Company 2 Vietnam, Dead Space 2, Crisis 2 and others when they come out. Well, I will leave you guys now to enjoy the rest of this clip.
Reloading!
Charger!
Got it! Reloading! Reloading! Reloading!
Let's head down this road.
Reloading! Hey, look out!
Look out!
Reloading! Reloading! Hey, there's the house.
Reloading!
Dead! Reloading! Charger! We got a charger! Reloading! Smoker! Smoker! Shot.
Reloading.
I'm a reload! Reloading!
We made it. I'll see you folks in chapter 2. Thanks a lot for watching.
Grabbing a bile bomb. Grabbing puke.
Look out!
Du bist auch noch ein Vollpfosten, Alter. Leck mich am Arsch, ey.
Hey, y'all!
Delicious mixasses.
Who the hell is an evac station with 30 flights of goddamn stupid helicopter?
Maybe the helicopter. Maybe it's made of chocolate.